Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. But now let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, I obviously would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, we are currently sitting at $1.69 trillion, and we're down 1.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing, a lot of green across the board, especially in the last 7 days. So the markets are indeed looking very, very nice as we speak. And, a lot of people are asking whether or not the bottom is in, and we will get into that later on in this video. So if you are an altcoin holder, you do not want to miss this video. But today, guys, I want to look further into none other than Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain price, Vechain is currently trading at 0.088 cents. We're down 3.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up 0.4% in the Bitcoin comparative in the last 24 hours. Current market cap for Vechain is around $5.75 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is finally going up, and we are currently sitting at $700 million. But if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Vechain, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 409%. Let's not forget that when we are looking at the price of Vechain. But in the last 2 weeks, Vechain has been outpacing the Bitcoin price, by quite a bit, around 10% to be exact, and we are up 30.4% in just the last 14 days. So looking very nice, to be honest with you guys. But now if we are looking at the price of Vechain, if we're looking at the technical analysis, you guys can see Vechain is still in this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But one thing I'm going to point out for you guys is if you picked up some Vechain around this level, it might have been a very, very nice time to be dollar cost averaging in Vechain, because you are up around 57% if you bought around on the 21st of July, which is about a week and a half ago, when we did see Vechain price go all the way down to 5.5 cents. But now comes the question that everyone wants to know: where is Vechain price going in the immediate short term? Which we will get into right away. So you know what, let's look at Bitcoin's price first, because we know that Bitcoin price is the leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency market, and then we will get into the Vechain's chart and see what is most likely going to happen for the price of Vechain. So if you guys can see, Bitcoin has seen a beautiful bounce off towards the upside, and everything is looking very, very nice. And if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you do know that I was saying that once we break above this $38,600 mark, that's where I personally get the confirmation that yes, markets are indeed headed towards the upside, and Bitcoin has been able to do that, and we are sitting at some very nice levels for the Bitcoin price. But right now, what I would personally like for Bitcoin to do is get above this $43,200 mark, and that basically confirms that yes, bottom is in and markets are indeed headed towards the upside. Because the last time Bitcoin price was above this price level was when we did see this price pullback occur on May 19th of 2021, which really did create this sideways boring momentum over the last 2.5 months of consolidation. So keeping that in mind, what does that mean for Vechain? As I have mentioned, Bitcoin price has seen a nice bounce back up, and if you don't know, like I mentioned, Bitcoin price is the leading indicator of the entire market. And right now, if we are looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance index still quite very high. So we are not seeing the type of parabolic moves that we have seen around here. for projects, especially all the altcoins occur right now. But still, Vechain has been going up with the Bitcoin's price action, and it has been performing very, very nicely. And one thing I want to point out for you guys is that this goes to show, especially if you are a newcomer onto into the markets. I know the OGs know this already, but especially the newcomers, this goes to show, guys, there could be times that come where, we could enter consolidation phases, which could be very, very boring, and there could be a lot of fear across the board. But there is going to be a time where markets do start coiling up towards the upside, and when that does happen, guys, markets do tend to move up very, very fast. So basically, moral of the story is, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then holding would be by far your best strategy, and patience is going to be your #1 key to follow. By no means am I saying all the altcoins in the cryptocurrency markets are here to stay. Definitely not. That's where your research comes into play. That's where you need to be doing your due diligence and research and picking projects that you believe are here to stay and that actually have solid fundamentals, a real working product. And Vechain by far is no doubt one of these projects. Vechain, I believe, is super, super undervalued. I have been mentioning this for quite a while. Not financial advice, because me personally do believe in Vechain, because they are not just the ordinary cryptocurrency. It's just not an ordinary coin that people are investing in, going in, oh my god, this is the next big thing. Absolutely not. It has a working product at the end of the day. It has strong fundamentals, and that is what I look into projects when I am investing in it. And you guys can see, Vechain is working with some of the biggest names in the world when it comes to businesses. You guys can see some big names such as Walmart China. We are seeing H&M over there, and we're seeing DHL. You guys get the picture as to what I'm saying. And Vechain is a project that is bringing mass adoption to the cryptocurrency space by providing support to these big organizations that I have mentioned. With Vechain Thor blockchain. So that is basically bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. So now you may be asking, how exactly is that bringing mass adoption? Because when other organizations that have not really touched into blockchain yet see that certain XYZ company is using Vechain Thor blockchain, which is reducing their cost of operations and decreasing what's it called fraudulent activities, these companies will be more eager to join or implement blockchain within their companies rather than not doing so. So that's why I am super, super bullish on the Vechain project, and it is making big strides, and I believe it is being slept on considering what it is doing right now. And long-term perspective, guys, on this project, for me personally, I believe literally the sky is the limit for this project. If you were to come up to me and tell me, hey, Crypto ZX, where could you see Vechain go in the next 5 to 6 years? I can basically say I have no idea. Basically, sky is the limit for a project like Vechain, and I am a strong believer that in the next 3 to 5 years, we would be trading way higher compared to where we are right now. And that's why I do try to pick up some Vechain whenever I can, because that's how bullish I am on this project. But I always invest what I can afford to lose, and I always do my own due diligence, and that's what you guys should be doing as well. Never throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and if you have done that and you believe in the vision, then literally holding will be your #1 key to follow. Because like I mentioned, there will be times where consolidation phases come. There could be times, that could last up to months, maybe years. Maybe we could enter a bear market. But that's where your patience is really tested, because no one is going to get rich overnight. I'm sorry to break that to you guys. If you heard from someone that you're going to get rich from cryptocurrencies overnight, that is very, very highly unlikely. Yes, some people do get lucky, but patience is very much needed. So that is what I would like to say for you guys. I'm not here to spread fake hope. You guys know that, especially my day one supporters, the ones that view me on a regular basis. You guys know I always say that you will not get rich overnight. Patience is very much needed, and you need to do your own due diligence before investing in any of these projects. But now comes a question, where is Vechain's price headed in the immediate short term? What I would personally like for Vechain to do is get above this 10 cents mark first of all, without a, doubt, because last time we were above it was June 20th, guys. So I would like for us to get above here and then gradually move towards the upside back into the 61.8, and this 13 cents price is a very high resistance for Beach. And once we break above that, then I believe it is definitely time to be getting excited. If we do bring out the measuring tool, guys, we still have about 50% move towards the upside for us to get above this 13 cents mark. So that is what I would personally like for Vechain to do, but obviously we do need to have patience. Right now, more money is flowing into Bitcoin rather than altcoins, obviously because Bitcoin dominance is quite high, and as time goes by, and once we do see that parabolic move towards the upside for altcoins, when BTC dominance does drop, which I do believe will drop after Bitcoin has its rally, I am personally predicting that Bitcoin is going to have a run first towards the upside, and then we are going to see altcoins have their rally towards the upside. But that does not mean if Bitcoin has a rally towards the upside, altcoins are not going to move towards the upside. That does not mean that. We will still see altcoins move, but it is not going to be like this, parabolic types of moves towards the upside. So one thing I want to point out to you guys before I end this video is that, guys, when we do see the next leg up, which I am a strong believer we will see this Q4, and let's say we do see a parabolic move like this once again, please do not be greedy. Ask yourself a question whether or not the money that you are sitting at is too much that you cannot afford to lose. If the answer is yes, guys, scale out, take some profits, because consolidation phases will definitely occur. Markets can never go towards the upside, and that is just the reality that you have to face, because as fast as the markets can go up, that's as fast as they can go down. But with that being said, guys, this is it for today's update regarding the Vechain. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now. Are you guys picking up some more Vechain, or are you guys just holding on what you have right now? Let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This does help my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, especially my day one supporters, the regular viewers. I love each and every one of you guys. Thanks once again. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.